with the new one, like you can't tap it and flip it no more, right? How
You can do that?
those?
I don't think.
That's the thing on the 8 Plus. You can just double click it and flip.
What? Yeah, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy here, ACG. I'm that guy. Afro Car Guy, if it's your first time coming by, go ahead and stop and hit that subscribe button. And let's get straight into today's video. Alright guys, this is gonna be more of a vlog style video today with my friend Rashad. By the time this video come out, you guys should already have seen a review on his car done by me. But today we're gonna be taking this car down to, well, actually we got both the cars out today. We got the Eclipse and we got this Q60 over there in the corner. We're taking both of them down to one of each our own shops to get some work done. Mine has a check engine light on and my emissions are literally right down the street, so that's awesome, right? And what you told me what you finna do, bro?
Put my downpipes on today.
You can make this
good.
Woo, boy. I'm gonna keep you guys updated. We just got done getting gas for the Eclipse. We're gonna head to my guy's shop first, and then we're gonna head over to Rashad's guy's shop next, and we're gonna get those downpipes on. Hopefully she should be a lot louder, bro. What you think?
I want the power though.
He didn't even care. He want the power, man. 400 horsepower. He still want more, man. All right, guys. We're gonna get on the road. I'll touch base with y'all in a few. All right, guys. We made it to the shop. We are currently taking out the mass airflow sensor to see if that is the issue with why my car is throwing two lean codes: bank 1, bank 2, P0174 and P0171. We're not quite sure, but hopefully this fixes the check engine light. If not, screw it. We're just gonna keep deleting it and pass emissions to figure out the whole issue later. I think it needs to be tuned. That's just me, but my mechanic says otherwise. We're about to find out. Yeah, just about to say that. And there's a bunch of like loose rust, so that seems fun.
I ain't that bad now because I got that wood platform, but I had some like
The metal ones are down?
like inside trailers, you know, the kick plates. Sometimes if you go on the tractor trailer and you go inside the trailer, the first 12 inches would be like black rubber.
Oh. Yeah, I just say those are ridiculously silly. Rain or dry, sliding. I said the Sonic's like right up the street from here. When we get done. Yeah.
Why do skinny people always talk about goddamn
Cause we gotta eat.
Look, hey, listen, they think because we skinny, we don't eat.
I think you want to eat the most though.
Cause it burns right off like within an hour.
Pretty much.
Where the hell did you put all that? Don't worry about it.
Just know I'm putting this somewhere. Man. Like a little mini virtual. Need to hit the guy up with the tuning shit so get that on standby when I get the chance. Yeah. Let me know when you go up there because I'm definitely gonna try to tag along on that. Credentials.
Yeah, they said like the most they can pipes and blow off valve, and they just tune it. And they got 600 at the wheel, but then they put it back down to make, I guess, more reliable or whatever. And they brought it down to like 600 at the wheel.
What you think, Ray? You think that's realistic?
I mean, I'll bring paperwork in once I get mine. So, I mean,
How much power you running? Well, let me tell you.
But because I got the res for it, they said it don't take much to get that much power out of it. But if I want to go over that, if I want to make it reliable, then I might not upgrade the turbos on it.
At what point do you have to upgrade? You said the turbo?
Yeah, I'm probably not going to touch the turbo.
At what point do they recommend you upgrade the internals?
Yeah. That's the important thing.
Because when you take that engine apart, you'll find out that Mirage is puny looking. Like, most factory cars are not built to go above 500 horsepower. At least.
No, I ain't thinking about wrapping the cord around the top. You gotta do that at the bottom.
I'm just trying not to have too much tension on it.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. Like, I didn't think about that.
Because right now, we
I don't know why. Yeah, it's so short.
Yeah, this one, I guess you can
No, it's like the cord doesn't even bother to stretch any further than that.
Because I mean, the other intake manifold, who knows, the sensor might have been right
Yeah.
here or something. You know what I mean?
That thing has so much extra plastic attached to it.
My G37 has the both going down and it had to go right there. But I had to cut a hole right here.
Yeah.
Right here. And shove it in there. And I had to pull this and put the
Jeremy had to do that to hit. Alright guys, so we just got done leaving Ray's shop. He replaced the mass airflow sensor and we cleared all the codes. So far the car is reading that everything's fine. But we're gonna drive it for a little bit longer and see. I need my missions done by the 22nd of this month. So if the code comes back up again, I'm just gonna drop the car off with him that Saturday, the 21st, and just have him do what he needs to do so I can pass the missions. And as far as fixing everything else, we're going to worry about that come next year because we still got bigger things on the plate to worry about. At the moment, we're about to get something to eat because we are hungry. And then once we finish up here, we're heading over to Rashad's guy's shop so he can get these downpipes on the car and see where it goes from there. I'll see you on a few.
It's cool. Don't worry about it. I just want the chili cheese dog with the milkshake. That's it.
Oh, so no other order?
Nah, I don't want, yeah.
Your total comes to $12.19.
Dang, $12.19. Snap. Hope mine's gonna be $12.19. What's up, everybody? We back. So bad news. I hope I didn't leave no one on this entire video, but his guy's not here. Both of his guys are incapable of doing what they need to do right now. So
And one got me waiting for later on tonight, and I'm tired. I'm finna go home. I'll wait another day.
So y'all heard it, man. We're going to probably do a part 2 of this video, if anything, showing the downpipe install. But till then, there's that lighting. There it is. Ooh. Till then, I catch y'all later, man. Remember, hold that dream.